My name is Ellis Royal, and I am a commercial real estate major. Hey guys, today I will be showing you how to use comma separated value, or CSV for short. Okay, first what we're going to want to do is reformat all of column A and all of the data inside of these cells. How we're going to do this is we are going to click on Data, here on the home ribbon, up here on the ribbon, top ribbon. Find text to commas. We're going to click on that. Ignore delimited and fixed with data for right now. Hit next. Come down to where it says comma, select it, remove tab. Down here you get a little preview screen of what your data is going to look like. Here's our 1, 2, 3 commas. Or here's our 1, 2, 3 columns. Sorry. And once you have commas selected, you're going to want to hit finish. Okay, next what we're going to do here is we are going to select column D. And again, this is selecting column D1 and all of the information all the way down to cell D101. And we are going to come up here and insert a histogram. And how we do this is we're going to hit insert, come over to our little graph cluster over here till we find histogram, and then select the first histogram. And I'm going to make ours bigger just so I can see the bins a little better. Okay. And next thing we're going to do here is we're going to decluster all this data. These are categorized into 19-year increments, and we are going to change that to 3 years. And how we go about this is by changing the bin width. So we're going to right-click on the bin, come down here to Format Data Series. I'm on a Mac. I don't know what it looks like on an HP or a Windows, but this is for Mac iOS users. You're going to find bins. Click on the auto, and it's going to bring up some options. Hit bin width, and we're going to change this 19 to a 3, and then hit enter. And here you can see down on the bottom it is changed. And see, look, now we are in clusters of 3, 1930 to 1933, 1933 to 1936, and etc. all the way down to 2020 to 2023. So now we are in 3-year increments, a little easier to find your data when looking at this chart instead of being clumped all in one, mass year. Okay, and next what we're going to do is we're going to do a sort. And how we're going to do this is we're going to come up and click on column D with debut years. We're going to hold shift until we get to last. Once you have column B and last selected, you're going to want to come over here to sort and filter under the home ribbon. Hit the drop down arrow, come to where it says custom sort. We're going to do debut year first, and we're going to change the order to largest to smallest. We're going to add level 2, which is going to be our heroes. We're going to leave the order on A through Z. Add level 3, and we're going to do last for level 3. And this is also going to remain on A through Z. Once your sort and filter list looks like this, you can come over and we're going to hit OK. And you can see this has taken my years from being random to largest to smallest. So we have 2022 all the way going down to 1930. And then our last and hero names have been categorized alphabetically. So we are done with that. Okay. Last and final thing we're going to do is we're going to click on column A, hold the shift key, and move over 3 positions to column D. We are going to add a filter to this data. By doing this, we're going to come to the Home tab, come to Sort and Filter. Instead of hitting Custom Sort like we did last time, we're going to hit Filter. And this is going to give us these little drop-down arrows right here. And what these drop-down arrows allow us to do is to sort by any possible A, B, C, D, any letter in the alphabet, or in this case, we have a 3D. We can even sort by numbers if we want to. But for our case, we're going to sort by the letter D. And by doing this, all we're going to do is click on Search and the letter D. And now we're going to click out of this, and this has changed our whole graph. This has changed our histogram chart. This has changed how many cells are being shown. This has changed a lot. And what this has done is it has shown us every name with a D in it under the Heroes filter. So see, everything has a D: Spider-Man, Wonder Woman, 3D Man, And even cooler, this is, if you come over here to the rows, row 1, it even highlights the rows that all this data is coming from. So you have rows 7, 10, 11, 15, 26, 85, 101. So it even will tell you what rows that this data has come from. But that is it for today, so thank you very much.